Hello one and all. Today we are going to discuss about commercial banks. The list of topics to be covered here are meaning and concept of commercial banks, definition of commercial banks, types of commercial banks, functions of commercial banks which are primary functions and secondary functions. Meaning of commercial banks. Commercial banks are the most important components of the whole banking system. A commercial bank is a profit-based financial institution that grants loans, accepts deposits, and offers other financial services such as overdraft facilities and electronic transfer of funds. In other words, commercial banks are financial institutions that accept demand deposits from the general public, transfer funds from the bank to another, and earn profit. Commercial banks plays a significant role in fulfilling the short-term and medium-term financial requirement of industries. The concept of commercial bank is commercial banks are banking institutions that accept deposits and grant short-term loans and advances to their customers. In addition to giving short-term loans, commercial banks also give medium-term and long-term loans to business enterprises. Nowadays, some of the commercial banks are also providing housing loan on a long-term basis to individuals. The funds of commercial banks belong to the general public and are withdrawn at a short notice. Therefore, commercial banks prefers to provide credit for a short period of time backed by tangible and easily marketable securities. Definition of commercial banks. A bank, which is a German word, means a joint stock fund. A bank denotes a financial institution dealing in money. A bank is an institution that is prepared to accept deposits of money and repay the same on demand. According to Cowherd, the banker's business is to take the debts of the other people to offer his own in exchange and thereby create money. A similar definition of the meaning of banking has been given by Kent, who defines a bank as an organization whose principal operations are concerned with the accumulation of the temporarily idle money of the general public for the purpose of advancing to others for expenditure. Types of commercial banks. Commercial banks are of three types, that is public sector banks, private sector banks and foreign banks. Public sector banks. Public sector banks refers to a type of commercial banks that are nationalized by the government of a country. In public sector banks, the major stake is held by the government. In India, public sector banks operate under the guidelines of Reserve Bank of India (RBI), which is the central bank. Some of the Indian public sector banks are SBI, State Bank of India, Corporation Bank, Bank of Baroda, Dena Bank and Punjab National Bank. Private sector banks. Private sector banks refer to a kind of commercial banks in which major part of share capital is held by a private business and individuals. These banks are registered as companies with limited liability. Some of the Indian private sector banks are Wise Bank, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, ICICI Bank and Housing Development Finance Corporation (HDFC Bank). Foreign banks. Foreign banks refer to commercial banks that are headquartered in a foreign country but operate branches in different countries. Some of the foreign banks operating in India are Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation, HSBC, Citibank, American Express Bank, Standard and Chartered Banks, and Grindals Bank. In India, since financial reforms of 1991, there is a rapid increase in the number of foreign banks. Commercial banks mark significant importance in the economic development of a country as well as serving the financial requirement of the general public. Functions of commercial banks. Commercial banks are institutions that conduct business for profit motive by accepting public deposits for various investment purposes. The functions of commercial banks are broadly classified into primary functions and secondary functions. Primary functions. Primary functions refer to the basic functions of commercial banks that includes the following: accepting deposits, demand deposits, time deposits, and advancing loans. Accepting deposits implies that the commercial banks are mainly depend on public deposits. The primary function of commercial banks is to accept deposits from the public. Banks maintain deposit accounts for their customers and convert deposit money into cash or vice versa at the discretion of the latter. Banks accept money from public by receiving deposits by the way of different accounts. Demand deposits refer to the kind of deposits that can be easily withdrawn by individuals without any prior notice to the bank. In other words, the owner of these deposits allowed to withdraw money anytime by simply writing a check. These deposits are the part of money supply as they are used as a means for the payment of goods and services as well as debts. Receiving these deposits is the main function of commercial banks. Time deposits refer to deposits that are for certain period of time. Banks pay higher interest on time deposit. These deposits can be withdrawn only after a specific time period is completed by providing a written notice to the bank. Advancing loans. This refers to one of the important functions of commercial banks. The deposits are used by commercial banks for the purpose of granting loans to individuals and businesses. Commercial banks grants loan in the form of overdraft, cash credit, and discounting bill of exchange. Secondary functions refer to crucial functions of commercial banks. The secondary functions can be classified under three heads, namely agency functions, general utility functions, and modern functions. Agency functions. Bank perform agency functions for their customers as given below. Collection of checks, bills. Bank collect checks, bills, drafts, and other negotiable instruments deposited by the customer. Making and collecting payments. Bank makes payment of the premium insurance policies, house rent, etc. on behalf of their customers. Similarly, they accept, recover rents and other deposits on behalf of their customers. Accepting bills. Banks accept bills of exchange as per orders of their customers. They make also the payment of checks, bills and handies of their customers. Remittance facilities. Bank remits money from one place to another for the facility of their customers. Purchase and sale of shares and securities. Bank purchase and sell shares and securities etc. as per the order of their customers. Reference letter. Bank sends the information of financial conditions of their customers to the businessmen of the country and abroad. Similarly, they give the information of the financial condition of other businessmen to their customers. Acting as trustees. Banks take the liabilities for the management of properties of their customers and act as trustees. General utility functions. It issues letter of credit, travelers checks, gift checks. It provides tax consultancy services. It gives advices on income tax and other personal taxes. It facilitates the easy and quick transfer of fund from one place to another place by means of checks, drafts, MT, TTD, etc. It deals with foreign exchange transaction, thereby helping the importers and exporters. Bank makes arrangements for transport, insurance, warehousing of goods. It provides consultancy services on technical, financial, managerial, economic aspects for the benefit of micro and small enterprises. Modern functions. It issues credit cards, debit cards, smart cards, etc. Changing cash for bank deposit and bank deposit for cash. Providing 24 hours facility of payment through ATMs. Transferring bank deposit between individual or companies. Exchanging deposits for bill of exchange, government board security, unsecured promises of trades and industrial units. Underwriting capital issues.